Hi, I'm Colonel Cullen Jones, 65th Commander of the New Orleans District, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. And today, I'm joined by the Executive Director of the Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans, Mr. Ghassan Korban. And today, we are also out here visiting the Southeast Louisiana Flood Damage Reduction Project, also known as SELA. It's amazing to think about, but the SELA project is looking to reduce flood risk for the 1 million residents of Orleans, Jefferson, and St. Tammany parishes, along with protecting the vital local and regional economies. When you think about it, the SELA project is looking to improve the internal drainage structure for the area while also building new drainage canals and stormwater pumping systems. As the benefits throughout, you can see, number one, we're going to be increasing stormwater storage while also improving the efficiencies of the systems, enabling it to take on greater, heavier rainfall in the future, keeping the General de Gaulle hurricane evacuation route open, and most importantly, keeping the Port of New Orleans, railroads, local businesses, and local commerce in place. So Ghassan, together with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers alongside CPRA and the Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans, we've invested about $2.7 billion in the infrastructure here in Southeast Louisiana. Given the impacts of the SELA project, can you tell us, for our viewers, number one, the impacts and positive benefits for the people of New Orleans, and also the criticality of our partnership?
Absolutely, thank you, Colonel. And I'd like to start by saying that anytime you have three levels of government, federal, state, and local, collaborating and coming together to solve a very significant problem for our city is what I call good government, or government at its best. And that's what this city and this region deserve. And that's exactly what they're getting. They're getting we've identified together the issue, the challenge, and we've come together with, like we said, significant amount of investment to improve the quality of life of our citizens, our businesses, and our visitors. The fact that we have increased the amount of water storage by improving the canals and its sizes has tremendously impacted how people live and how people view a certain event, because now they can be assured that there are solutions that are minimizing and mitigating their flood risk anywhere in the city. So it's been a tremendous collaboration and teamwork for the betterment of the city, and there's so much more work to be done. And I'm so confident that with this level of collaboration, attention, intentional, thoughtful process, the city will be here for many, many years and will continue to thrive.
Ghassan, I appreciate it, and I can tell you enough the amazing partnership between CPRA, Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans, along with the New Orleans District U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to make this happen. It's amazing to think about it. The nation has invested $14.5 billion in the hurricane storm damage risk reduction system. Of that, $1.8 billion was dedicated towards SELA. It's one of the largest single projects dedicated at the time. And as everyone knows, flooding from rainfall is one of the critical emergencies that we have to deal with during hurricane and storm events. Realizing that both the SELA project along with HISDRS work together as a system of systems. While the HISDRS keeps storm surge flooding from coming in, the SELA system improves the internal drainage, allowing for us to move flooding from rainfall out of the city at the same time, reducing the risk for our fellow citizens. Over time, we're going to be able to continue to improve this system, increase its capacity as we deliver it together. So from the New Orleans District, this is Colonel Cullen Jones, along with Executive Director Ghassan Korban, SEON's Building Strong.